In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Forms to a Facebook page. This is a simple and effective way to collect responses, sign-ups, inquiries, or feedback directly from people visiting your page. By adding your Google form as your page's action button, you make it much easier for visitors to find the form and complete it without having to search through posts or descriptions. To get started, go to Google Forms and open the form you want to share on your Facebook page. Once your form is open, look to the top right corner and click the Send button. This is where Google gives you different sharing options for your form. From the Send menu, click the link icon so you can generate a direct URL to the form. You will also want to check the box to shorten the URL. This makes the link cleaner, easier to manage, and better suited for placing inside a Facebook button. After that, click Copy to save the form link to your clipboard. Make sure you copy the correct final link, because this is the address your Facebook visitors will use to open the form. Next, log into Facebook and switch over to the Facebook page where you have admin access. This is important because you need the proper permissions to change page buttons and settings. Once you are on the correct page, look near the top right area of the page for the three dots menu. Click that menu to open more page options. From there, select Add Action button. If your page already has a button set up, you may instead see Edit Action button, and that works just as well. After selecting it, Facebook will ask you to choose the type of button you want to display. Pick an option that best matches the purpose of your form, such as Sign Up or Contact Us, and then click Next. Now paste the Google Form link you copied earlier into the website or URL field. Before saving, take a quick moment to double-check that the link is complete and pasted correctly. This helps avoid broken links and makes sure visitors go straight to your form. Finally, click Save to make the button live on your Facebook page. Once it's published, visitors will be able to click the action button and open your Google form right away. After saving, it's a good idea to test the button yourself from your page to confirm everything works as expected. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.